Let me quickly show you how to capture a long scrolling screenshot of your web page or anything on your screen. The best part is that you can capture the image in the highest quality Full HD. The process is very simple. For this demonstration, I will capture this whole web page on DuckDuckGo. First, we need a free tool called ShareX. I already have a dedicated video about this awesome free tool, so check that video out before continuing with this one. Alright, launch the ShareX application. Important note, you have to click once on the window on which you're going to take the screenshot before you start capturing the long screenshot on that window. So I'll click once in the Brave browser window. Then I'll right-click on the ShareX taskbar icon, go to Capture, and then select Scrolling Capture. Now select your preferred region by moving your mouse pointer and then press the left-click button. Then just sit back and relax. Your long screenshot will be captured automatically. You can also change settings like delay time or steps. Once you're done, save your screenshot. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.